Naturalising bulbs. These are bulbs that return each year and spread. It means a new surprise each spring. Everyone knows the daffodil, and here I'll be planting crocuses and snowdrops, all species that spread. When looking for a spot in your garden, choose a spot you don't have to dig up. So find a spot where they can easily come up again each year. This soil was hard, so I broke it up. And now I'm going to spread out all these bulbs at random, and then plant and plant and plant. Always plant your bulbs 3 times as deep as the size of the bulb. For the small ones, it doesn't matter much. But the larger ones, like this leucojum, always with the point facing up. After you have planted them, always pat the soil down firmly, so it tightly covers the bulb. Here I am planting a random combination of daffodils and snowdrops, but there are many species, like star hyacinths, bluebells, yellow anemone, wood anemone, winter aconite, spring snowflake, wild tulips and daffodils, snake's head, you name it. If you want more information about that, go to www.bulb.com. And come spring, just look at the result.